All right, everybody, thanks for showing up here. So this is another one from the Geek Life, and this is called Project Pitchfork, and the name of it is Rain, R-A-I-N. And you can see it in the description. If you ever feel like I'm not explaining or pronouncing things right, hey, trust me, I agree with you. Sometimes I'm not. Just look in the description. I always... 99% of the time I try to make sure that when I copy the title over, I just copy it word for word, letter for letter. So that may help. So anyway, let's get into the intro and right into the video. And this will be a first reaction. Never heard of Project Pitchfork. So y'all are along for the ride just like I am. So here we go.
Of this world and back up into the sky. Mountains of gold are shrinking in time. They vanish into space, revealing your true face. What is the meaning of all that is? Just for a start, I can feel your smile right in my heart.
Yeah, man, this is just like yesterday when I was doing a reaction for the Geek Life. I think all these have a certain genre to them. They're all electronic kind of dance music from what my memory tells me. I really don't know how to react to it. I mean, it's artistic, I mean, these guys know more about it than I do, but it wasn't something that or let me put it this way here. It just, by the time this kind of music came out, I was already, 30, maybe more. And it wasn't a natural progression for the music I listened to start listening to this, this synthetic, or what they call it, syntho pop or whatever music. But I can see where, all these guys, they were all around at the same time, and, they were pushing the limits musically and vocally. I mean, this guy sounds, it doesn't sound like he's singing to me. It sounds like it's a version of, their niche, I guess. I don't know, man. But you just got this driving, electronic beat that just repeats itself over and over and over again. And I can remember a lot of people losing their mind over this type of music. But yeah, man, thank you to the Geek Life. Let's get back to it.
Enchanted by the
Wow, is that it? So yeah, man, I thought it was pretty good, actually, to tell you the truth. It's kind of catchy. I'm not sure what they're saying. So I did. Why, if y'all notice when I look away why these are playing, I'm still listening to it, but I want to bring up try to find some kind of information maybe to pass on to you guys, and something for me, when we're in the moment. And so Project Pitchfork are a German dark wave and electronic music group from Hamburg, Germany. And so that means they're still going. So they started in 1990. And according to the description on this one, this was taken from the 2013 album. And I was thinking just by listening to it that this was like, mid 90s, late 80s, this type of electronic music. But I was wrong. I mean, 2013, that's really only 12 years ago, almost 13. So anyway, they're still together, for, I guess there's some past members, but mainly the original guys are still there apparently, and they're still touring in Germany. So there you go. Thank you to the Geek Live for letting us know what's out there, man. Because I don't know anything that's out there in Europe, to tell you the truth, or what everybody's listening to. It's so different than what we listen to here in Texas. Probably not. I'm not speaking for everybody in Texas. Obviously, there's audiophiles that listen to all kinds of music and are much more schooled on it than I am. I only know what the Geek Life has sent to me on this particular six song request. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for showing up, like I said to begin with, and enjoying this reaction. I hope you got your money's worth. But that's going to do it for me. So till I see y'all again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.